Everything starts with an idea, and at the AFL Grand Final pre-game entertainment, Mushroom sees all the way through to the final execution. That's working directly with artists, production, broadcast, and the entire show presentation and experience. Our content team creates the prelude films you see before the performance, and we capture all behind the scenes in the lead up to the game day, and of course the show itself. Day one of the preparations for the AFL Grand Final pre-game entertainment. We have our new trusty friend here, the Canon C50. So we're going to actually film the AFL Grand Final cut, which is getting prepared for us now. So I want to have Snoop Dogg coming in to do a few lines for us for the prelude film.
In rehearsals today, we are going to go through a full run through the main stage, the stadium, the artists, the Australian acts. They're all going to come in together. It's really the first time everyone's actually seen the show in full.
Past few days have proved how versatile the Canon C50 really is. We've used it as a cam on set, stills for portraits, locked it off for the presser, and now we're going to use it for some slow-mo action at the main event.
What I'm loving about the camera, it's super small and compact, and we're using it with an open gate setting that's currently on this C50. For these type of things, you want to do widescreen for doco capture, you want to do social media posts, 9:16, all different formats. So being able to shoot documentary in this day and age. Filming everything today on an open gate mirrorless camera, so small and compact like this, it's really, really revolutionary for us.